Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, and I'm here with my friend Colin. Colin is from Riven
Workshop.
Yeah.
You did.
And he is a returning vendor with us. He'll be at our handmade market on April 20th, and he came in today to show you some of the things that he will be having for sale.
Yes, yeah, I am dedicated to creating handmade heirloom quality wood crafts. So that varies from toys and puzzles to, sculpture and artwork to spoons, baskets, quilt squares.
Ooh, this is new.
Yeah, and pretty much everything in between.
Look at that.
That's our state quilt square.
Oh, okay.
The North Carolina Star.
Oh, all right. We also have a Carolina lily, but that's a little more complicated for wood cutting.
Yes, yes.
And these puzzles are so cute.
Yeah, they
See how
stand
they,
up, so they make good
slide
decorations.
together?
But they're also individual toys.
That's really fun.
Yeah.
And then tell me about that.
Ooh, so this is several pieces of wood, of oak, that I had cut at a specific angle, and then you kind of have to trace each one on the next, and you get this nice swoopy nautilus.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Sort of shape. Yeah.
And look at the detailing in that spoon.
Yeah, that's coal rosing, which is an ancient Viking art that you can use to make all kinds of pretty stuff.
Very cool.
Yeah, so my two items for the giveaway are this little bunny puzzle, and then this sign, which translated means, in wine there is truth, but tequila means a party.
I know a few people who might love that sign. So if you'd like to be entered for one of Colin's two giveaways, all you need to do is comment where you're seeing the video. The video airs on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So if you want to better your chances, you can comment in all three places. And of course, we look forward to seeing Colin and 27 other vendors here in just about a month and 1 day.
I know.
So you got to get busy making more stuff because this is
I
not
am.
enough.
Nope.
So thank you for being here today.
Of course.
And then today in fabric, I'm so excited to announce that we are going to be, or we already are, a retailer for Cherrywood fabrics. And if you're not familiar with Cherrywood, look how beautiful that is. This is a hand-dyed fabric that is washed 4 times, and it has a very suede-y look to it. So like in these pieces, hopefully you can see that kind of suede-y nature. They're very soft, super high thread count, and there's really nothing like it. We are the only Cherrywood retailer in all of North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia. So if you are interested in Cherrywoods, we are going to be your location. They also have these great packs that are from previous Cherrywood challenges, and the current Cherrywood challenge is a poppy challenge that I'm working on at home right now. So we are going to be your one-stop location for Cherrywood. Right now we have bundles, but we may move into yardage if it becomes a big hit here in North Carolina. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.